Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies using Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Sales tab on your dashboard. Identify your existing sales strategies by reviewing current performance metrics. Use the Reports feature to generate data on sales trends and customer interactions. Analyze this data to pinpoint areas for improvement. Set clear objectives for your sales strategies based on your findings. Explore the Salesforce App Exchange for tools that enhance sales functionalities. Install and integrate any relevant applications that can streamline your processes. Utilize the lead management feature to track potential clients effectively. Automate routine tasks using Salesforce's workflow rules to save time. Train your team on new tools and updates to ensure they are well prepared. Monitor your team's performance by tracking individual sales metrics. Utilize Salesforce dashboards to visualize key performance indicators at a glance. Regularly review your strategies and adjust based on ongoing analytics. Solicit feedback from your team on the effectiveness of current sales tactics. Incorporate customer feedback to better tailor your sales approach. Conduct regular training sessions to keep team skills sharpened. Set up regular strategy meetings to innovate and adapt sales processes. Leverage marketing automation tools within Salesforce to nurture leads effectively. Establish a follow-up schedule to maintain relationships with prospects. Evaluate and refine your target audience based on demographic insights. Implement A/B testing on sales pitches to determine what resonates best. Document successful strategies to create a playbook for future reference. Use Salesforce's CRM capabilities to maintain detailed customer records. Foster a culture of collaboration by encouraging team members to share insights. Continuously track performance against your set objectives to ensure progress. Adapt your strategies based on seasonal trends and market changes. Capitalize on any new features Salesforce introduces to enhance sales functions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.